Hello guys! Welcome back sa ating panibagong food adventure! In the heart of Miagao, Iloilo, may na-discover kaming akalanaan na perfect sa malamig at maulan na panahon. At kung taga rito ka, siguradong alam mo kung saan to. Pero kung hindi, panoorin mo ang full video para malaman mo kung saan ito exactly.
I like my mornings quiet in bed, alone with my coffee and the thoughts in my head.
Nag-lunch na kami dito habang umuulan at grabe ang cozy ng ambience. Open, napapalibutan ng halaman, yung ilaw, yung lamig ng hangin, at yung tunog ng ulan sa labas. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam, very relaxing. At ang pinaka nakakagulat dito, hindi mo talaga aakalain na sa ganito kasimpleng lugar, may ganito kagandang spot na kainan na nagsaserve ng mga pagkain na pang hotel ang quality. Dito hindi lang basta pagkain ang ihahain sa'yo, kundi chef-crafted plates na talaga namang world class. Pero may puso at lutong bahay ang dating, perfect balance. Ang chef nila has 15 years of experience, kaya hindi na kami nagtataka kung bakit ganito kasarap at ka-polish ang bawat putahe. At itong mga in-order namin, crispy golden tempura, light, crunchy, at sobrang juicy ng shrimp. May native chicken adobo, rich in flavor, at ibang level yung twist ng aswete. May binakol, sabaw na may coconut at lemongrass, lutong native chicken, perfect pampainit. May seafood paella din, loaded sa seafood, at siksik sa lasa. At may mango sushi din kami, fresh and sweet para sa light and fruity bite. May avocado California sushi, creamy and smooth, at swak sa sushi lovers. May cheesy baked green shell, mussels na may garlic and melted cheese, very rich and indulgent. At may seafood marinara pasta, al dente pasta, and tomato sauce with fresh shrimp and mussels. And lastly, quesadillas, cheesy, toasted, at super satisfying comfort food talaga. Lahat fresh, flavorful, at ang ganda ng presentation. Alam mong may effort at puso yung pagkakaluto, hindi basta-basta. At syempre hindi rin kami umalis ng walang panghimagas. They also serve desserts, sweet treats na perfect pang seal ng meal, whether it's something fruity, creamy, or chocolatey. At kung coffee lover ka naman, meron din silang malit na coffee kiosk sa tabi. Pagkatapos ng hearty meal, pwede kang magkape habang pinapakinggan ang patak ng ulan. Kaya kung sumiagaw ka o dadaan ka man lang, don't miss this place. Rain or shine, this restaurant will always give you food that hits the spot. Welcome diri sa Ala Michelin Bar and Restaurant. Makikita ito sa Bill Glenn's Place, Noble Street, Ubos, Ilawod, Miagao, Iloilo. Katapat lang ng Miagao Central Elementary School. World-class flavor, lutong may puso para sa lahat. Kami si John and Den, and we are the pride of Panay. Don't forget to like, follow, and join us sa iba pa naming food adventures around Iloilo and beyond. Paalam!
Your mom, they ask, they